Electricity keeps your home running, but it's not something to take lightly. Whether you're changing a light fixture or doing a renovation, one wrong move can lead to serious trouble. Here are a few simple tips from our pros. 1. Always turn off the power. Before doing anything electrical, turn off the power at the main breaker. It's the easiest way to prevent electrical shock and is one of the first safety rules every electrician learns. Use the right tools. If you're tackling a small job, make sure your tools are up for it. Insulated screwdrivers and pliers are designed to protect you if you accidentally touch a live wire. Gear up. Gloves, goggles, face shields, they're not just for the pros. Proper safety gear keeps you protected from sparks, flying debris, and electrical burns. Keep electricity and water apart. It might sound obvious, but it's worth repeating. Never work on electrical systems near water or on damp surfaces. Even small moisture levels can increase the risk of shock. When in doubt, call the pros. Some things are best left to licensed electricians. If a project feels over your head or you're unsure what you're doing, don't risk it, call a professional. At Affordable Comfort, our certified electricians make sure every job is done safely and to the code. From panel upgrades to rewiring and lighting installations, we've got your electrical needs covered. Contact Affordable Comfort today to book an appointment with our trusted team of electricians, because home comfort should always come with safety built in.